Another example, trust on India. You know what India did when we were doing the G20? We, immediately before that, we did 3 summits. This is the Voice of Global South Summit. Why did we do that? 125 countries participated in the summit when my Honorable Prime Minister did that summit. We used that summit to understand and appreciate the challenges that the Global South faces. We were able to understand it, appreciate it, and bring those challenges and their aspirations to the main table of the G20. This is appreciated. This is what brings trust to the table. Then what did we do? First time in the history of G20, we were able to get African Union as a permanent member of G20. This brings trust to the table because we were able to get the aspirations and challenges of the entire African continent, which was ignored, brought to the main table of G20. This brings trust to the world, and that is what we enjoy. We recently organized the AI Summit, Artificial Intelligence Impact Summit. Again, the trust the world has on India was visible there. First time in the history of AI Summit, we had a summit where large number of 20 world leaders came and participated in it. What did my Prime Minister said? We want a human-centric AI which helps the entire humanity. That is what India is, and that is what is appreciated by the world. That brings in trust to the world. Now on the she has left on the issue which she asked about human rights. Let me mention this. India is a country which is based on a constitution. India is the largest democracy in the world. Last time when we had the elections in India, the participation was almost 1 billion people. That is the festival of democracy happened in India. And India is a country, very few countries in the world has that, where there is a peaceful transfer of power happens, and it happens in India. So India has a constitution, which I'm sure that some of you are aware of. It was established immediately after our freedom struggle. Again, a freedom struggle led by Mahatma Gandhi. Peaceful way, peaceful, non-violent. That is why the United Nations celebrate his birthday, October 2nd, and International Non-Violence Day. So we have a constitution. Let me just give you a summary of what the Indian constitution guarantees today. The preamble of the constitution, as you know, we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and give to its people what? Justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status, equality of opportunity, integrity, dignity of the individual. This is what my constitution guarantees, and this is guaranteed through fundamental principles, fundamental rights, fundamental duties. A constitution which is respected by the people of India. Every day when a civil service examination happens, when an examination happens based on merit, when an election happens anywhere in the country, we are celebrating the constitution. This is the beauty of India, and we are so proud of that. So every human being in India has a fundamental right, a right to go to the court if his right is infringed upon. This is the beauty of India, which we are very proud of. We hear a lot of people asking questions about why this, why that. But let me tell you this: we are 1/6 of the total population of the world, but not 1/6 of the problems of the world. We have a constitution which guarantees the rights of the people, fundamental rights of the people. We have equal rights for the women of our country, which is very important. In 1947, we gave the freedom to vote for our women. We won the freedom together, and day one itself, many countries I know, the voting